Meet Annie, your instructor for the day. Get ready to learn how to create a virtual machine. Navigate to the Azure portal for some hands-on fun. In the Azure portal, search for or click Virtual Machines. Click the plus Create button, choose the second option. Start configuring. It's really easy. Let's begin. After you are done, you can view the VM on your phone or on your tablet. Now let's begin. Select your configuration. Press Continue to create a virtual machine. Now select or create a subscription. Next, select or create a resource group. I started mine with RG to easily identify it as a resource group. Go ahead and name your VM. And a special note, you can't have spaces or special characters in the name. Choose your region and zone. Select Trusted Launch Virtual Machine. Some images, such as Kali, can't be trusted. This option adds additional security. Select Ubuntu as your image. Windows requires a license, and Ubuntu is open source or free to use. There are still compute charges associated with running a VM, even though it's open source. Pick the VM architecture. AM64 is a computer processor designed to power devices like computers, servers, and workstations. It uses x-86-64, an upgraded instruction set from older 32-bit x86 processors, which are limited to 4 gigs of RAM. x64 is Intel's version of the CPU architecture, and Microsoft and Oracle use it. Check the box for Spot if you want to set a price for your VM to run. This is good if you have tasks that can start and stop at any time. Choose the radio button for password and set your username and password. Now choose your inbound ports. Press Review and Create. Woohoo! Validation passed! You are ready to hit Create. Click Create. Now we wait while the VM is created. When Azure Virtual Machine is in deployment, it indicates that the VM creation or update process is currently underway. The term deployment in Azure refers to the process of provisioning, updating, or configuring resources such as VMs in the cloud environment. During this period, the necessary Azure infrastructure is being prepared, and the specific configuration for the VM is defined and implemented. Go to the resource to validate your VM. And congratulations on creating your virtual machine. And I'd like to thank you for watching.